Gauze for side-seam packing machine key features. 1. The color touchscreen operation interface is simple to operate. Adopting a scientific 4-axis servo drive system, the PLC programmable controller intelligently controls the operation of the entire machine, with advantages such as precise film feeding, stable material transportation, and precise bag cutting. 2. Innovative design, independent column-type mold frame, reciprocating synchronous heat sealing system, more uniform and stable sealing surface temperature, tight-edge sealing, durable packaging materials of different thicknesses, and materials have a wider adaptability. 3. Standard medical bag type, herringbone bag shape, easy to tear opening on the end face. Adhesive coated paper plus transparent, film or adhesive coated paper plus laminated. Paper for universal bag making. 4. Special heat sealing mold for sterilization bags.